In this video, we're going to talk about special right triangles. Our objectives on this lesson are to identify special right triangles and to determine the relationship of the sides and angles of special right triangles. By the way, what are special right triangles? Those are the 45-45 90-degree right triangle and the 30-60 90-degree right triangle. In this video, we're going to focus on 30-60 90-degree right triangle. Take note of this, that the ratio of the sides in a 30-60 90-degree triangle is 1 is to square root of 3 is to 2. Let's prove it. The 30-60 90-degree triangle is based on the equilateral triangle with sides of 2 units and also with an altitude drawn to any side. The altitude cuts the triangle into congruent triangle. So if we're going to cut this triangle, this will form two congruent triangles. So the only difference is this side and this side will become 1. And then if we're going to combine that, that also result to 2. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the length of this side. So using the formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, we simply substitute the values of a and c. So that will become a squared plus b squared is equal to 2 squared. And to simplify, that will become b squared is equal to positive 3. And for us to get the exact value of b, simply extract the roots of both sides. So that will become b is equal to square root of 3. So, we already proved that the ratio of the sides in a 30-60-90-degree triangle is 1 is to square root of 3 square root is to 2. So, let's do this. So, I have here a right triangle, a special right triangle, a 30-60-90-degree triangle. And the key is to find the length of the short side first. So, if the short side is 4, how will you get the hypotenuse or the measure of the hypotenuse? You simply multiply the short leg by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. What about getting the long leg? You simply multiply the short leg by square root of 3. So that is simply 4 square root of 3. Next. What if the short side or the short leg is square root of 10? To get the hypotenuse, again, simply multiply it by 2. So that's the answer, 2 square root of 10. What about the measurement of the long leg? Again, you're just going to multiply the short leg by square root of 3. So the answer would be square root of 30. What if the given is the hypotenuse? So let's say that the hypotenuse is 22. So for you to get the short leg, you simply divide the hypotenuse by 2. So the short leg measures 11. To get the long leg, again, multiply the short leg by square root of 3. So 11 times square root of 3 is simply 11 square root of 3. What if the given is the longer leg? So if the longer leg is 23 square root of 3, you simply divide the long leg by square root of 3. So the answer would be 23. And to get the hypotenuse, multiply the short leg by 2. So the answer is 46. So let's assess your learning. So find the values of x and y in each figure. Click the pause button to answer this. And if you're done, this is the answer. Okay, I hope you learned. Thank you.